Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So hope you are doing well and really keeping safe. Even I am doing good. So if you are seeing me for the first time, I am Anjali and you are watching Ashes Heaven. Getting into the video, if you are a new member, welcome to our family, and if you are an existing subscriber, thank you for subscribing to my channel. So without much late, let's get started. So this video is all about the review of M Caffeine Naked Detox Green Tea Scrub. So this is a face scrub which M Caffeine has. So M Caffeine has multiple face scrubs, body scrubs and scalp scrubs available in their range. So earlier I have uploaded a video on the naked and raw coffee body scrub. If anyone of you have missed it, I'll just give it in the iCard above. Today's video is all about a complete review of this product, which is M Caffeine Naked. So which is M Caffeine Naked Green Tea Face Scrub. So this is a very good face scrub, guys. So I have been using since so many days and I really like the smell and the consistency it has been giving. So this video is basically divided into 4 parts. For your convenience, this video is divided into 4 parts. So the first part I will be talking about the product completely. So I will be talking about the product, and in the second part I will show you how to apply this and how this can be applied and used. And the third part I will be sharing you the benefits of this product, and in the fourth part I will just conclude this product. So without much late, let's get started. So this is the packaging. This is how it comes. So this is 100 grams packaging. So this is the net quantity is 100 grams, and this is suitable for all the skin types. So this costed me around the MRP is 325 rupees, but I was this in Nykaa Summer Super Saver Day. So in that I got it for around 250 rupees. So yeah, when you open it, it looks like this. So the tube is like this. So hope it is visible. So the packaging is like this. This is a very good and very travel friendly packaging. So as you can see, this is like this, and you can open it from here. So you can open it from here, guys. So once you open it, this has a really good smell, guys. So this is not irritating, or it is not having a strong fragrance. This has a very mild and a very gentle fragrance, so which keeps you more towards this product. So this is a very good product, guys. So, and what I would like to say is this is content, the main specification of this is this has green tea in it, and it also has vitamin C in it. So this is really great for your skin. So vitamin C is very important for your skin. So this is a very good product. So I have used it recently and it was giving me good results. So I was not having any breakouts after using it. And also, as mentioned, this is made in India, and it has many essential inputs included in this, like vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and everything is included in this. If you check the ingredients list, you can just find it out. If anyone is fond of checking the ingredients list, it is given behind. So there are multiple products included in this which is beneficial for your skin. So, and the packaging is also so good, and there is a sturdy it is secured inside, because the product does not come out, because this is tightly getting closed, guys. So the product will not come out, and this is a very travel friendly thing, and you can carry it anywhere if you are going, because the product will not be leaked out, because this is safely sealed inside. So now let's see how to apply this. This is a very easy to apply, as well as you apply any scrub, you can even apply this too. So this is very easy to apply. You have to take a small portion. First of all, you have to clean your face. That is a mandatory step for any face scrub or a face wash. So please have a neat face, and then what you have to do is take a small portion on your hands and rub it between your palms, and then gently exfoliate on your face in circular motions, guys. So this has very mild particles in it, so that some particles are available in it which helps in exfoliation and scrubbing. So with the help of those products, all your dirt and if any dirt is inside your cells, or if your clogged pores, or all of that will be opened and it will clean, guys. So all of these small particles are there are a lot of tiny particles in this cream which helps in exfoliation and scrubbing your face, which results into a better skin by removing all those dirt cells which is accumulated inside your skin. You can apply this scrub on your clean face and neck without getting into contact with your eyes, guys. So avoid your eye area. Other than that, you can apply it all over your neck and face, and give it a gently exfoliating the product into your skin in a circular motion for about 2 to 3 minutes. You can then wash it off with normal water or cold water. Just after washing, now you can just pat dry your skin, and you can just apply a very light moisturizer on your skin, which is preferred by you, and that's it, guys. You are done with exfoliation of your skin. This is a very useful product, I must say. So this removes all the dirt skin. So exfoliation or scrubbing is mandatory for your skin, and at the same time you shouldn't give much of pressure, or you shouldn't exfoliate regularly on a daily basis. That is very bad for your skin. But this scrub you can exfoliate once in a week or twice in a week, which is highly recommended for a better skin. So now let's move on to the benefits, guys. So as I have told you, this removes all of your dirt skins. So use this scrub once or twice in a week to exfoliate your skin, guys, because this also helps in blood circulation, on easy flow of blood circulation of all your skin. So packaging wise, I really liked it, and the performance wise and the fragrance wise, everything I have liked it. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I will rate this 9 out of 10 because it really worked very good on my skin, and I'm really happy with this results. So I have been using since 1 month, and it is really working on my skin, guys. So I'm really happy with this. So I would really suggest to anyone who is looking for a face scrub, you can definitely go for this. Yeah, and that's all for today, guys. So this is what I would like to conclude, that this is a great product suitable for all the skin types, and it is a great source of scrub and exfoliation to your skin if you want a really glowing and healthy skin. So with that, I would like to conclude this video. So if you are liking my video and content, please like, share and subscribe, and also please enable the under notifications, enable all, so that you will receive the notifications of all the videos that I upload in future. For today, and see you soon in other video. Till then, bye and take care.